Hello, praisers and savers. It is a beautiful Sunday here in South Carolina. We are heading to Target today to get some great deals just by using our phone. Now, these deals run from March the 3rd all the way to March the 9th. And I hope you are able to score to save money for you and your family. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can just pull it up on your phone or you can print it off to take in the store with you. All right, let's go ahead and get started on some great deals. This is such a good deal this week. I love when Target has the spend 50, get a $15 gift card, one of my favorites. And of course, one of my favorites is whenever the Arm& & Hammer detergent is part of this deal. So as you can see, I got 5 Arm & Hammer detergents and I got an Airwick refill. So all in all, the total for all 6 of these items came to $15.94 or about $2.66 for each item. And of course, I'm using my phone just to score on these deals. So let me show you what I did to break it down. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up 5 of the Arm & Hammers. They are $9.59. That is going to give you a total of $47.95. So we're just under that threshold of $50 that we need to get back that $15 gift card. So then after that, we're going to submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each of the Arm & Hammers. So $3 back on each of the Arm & Hammers is going to be a total of $15 back. And I always maximize these because this is just a really good detergent. If you've never used Arm & Hammer detergent, it is a must. So $15 back on that. Then submit your receipt to Fetch. Now, I was able to get 4,000 Fetch points or about $4 back on all 5 of these Arm & Hammers. Next up was the Airwick. The Airwick double refill is $5.99. There is a $4 coupon on the Target app that is attaching. That's a great high valued coupon on the Target app. This is one of my favorites. Every time it comes around, I always pick it up. This is going to make the Airwick just $1.99. So, with the Ibotta rebate, the Fetch rebate, the coupon, and the $15 gift card that you're going to get back, your total is $15.94 or about $2.66 per item. Here's another example of the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. And this is using Swagbucks. If you have never used Swagbucks, please check out my referral code in the description box. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. Swagbucks is one of my favorite apps to use because it gives you such high valued rebate offers on the app. And also, just a word of advice, when I use Swagbucks, I try to put everything that Swagbucks on the same receipt. So trying to keep my receipts small as possible is the way to go with Swagbucks. It just works out better. Here is the deal on the Swagbucks offer. Now, with Swagbucks, you can do their rebates 2 times. So, what you're going to do is the first part of this is you're going to pick up these 3 count of the Clorox wipes. They're $7.39. You can pick up 2 of them and you're going to get back $8. But because we can do this deal twice, we can get back $16. So, what we're going to do is pick up 4 packs. They're $7.39 each. Your total is going to be $29.56. You're going to get back that $8 twice. So you're going to get back $16. It's going to make it $13.56 or about $3.39. Then I'm going to get the Clorox bleach. This is the 40 ounce. I love this because it's the splashless kind. Again, we have another Swagbucks rebate. When you get 2, you get $3 back. So what we're going to do for this one is I'm going to pick up 4 of them. They're $4.19. Your total is $16.76. Because we're going to get this rebate twice. We're going to get back $6. So your total for these is $10.76 or about $2.69 each, but there's more. Next, I'm just going to pick up two of these Clorox disinfectant sprays because remember I needed $50 on these cleaning products to reach that $15 gift card. And so I'm going to pick up two of these. They're $3.99. The total will be $7.98. We're going to get back from Swagbucks $3. That's going to leave us to pay $4.98 or about $2.49 each, but there is more to this deal. Now let's get our out of pocket even lower. So now this is going to work. What you do is you go to the travel section and you're going to pick up four of these Clorox to go packs. These are the 9 count. They're 99 cents each. That's going to leave you to pay $3.96. But on Swagbucks, there is a $3.50 Swagbuck rebate that we can do twice since we're picking up 4 packs. We're going to get back $7 because we're doing that twice. That's going to make this a moneymaker of $3.04. So that's going to help bring our out of pocket even lower on the Clorox wipes. In addition to that, there is also a $1 coupon that we're going to use from the Target app. Another $1 coupon that we're going to use from the Target app. Both of these $1 coupons are going to come off. So that's $2 from the Target app. In addition to that, we have some coupons from the Shop app. A $1 on the wipes is going to come off. Another $1 for the bleach. And then, in addition to that, another $1 for the disinfectant. So you have all in all between Target and Shop $5 in coupons that are going to attach to these products. I did want to show you that everything came off on Swagbucks. It worked beautifully. No problems whatsoever, even on the moneymaker. So I got back $32 already. All right, so just to recap, we just got 14 Clorox items for just $6.26, or we paid about 45 cents per item. Wow. Guys, when we get deals like this, we can't pass it up because this is the time to stock up. If you are a reseller, great items to resell because you're just selling these things and making a great profit because 45 cents an item is insane. So let me know in the comments if you score on the Clorox items. It is such a great deal going on right now at Target. All right, so here is my last spend 50, get a $15 gift card scenario. And remember, like I told you, I have done all these deals, so it worked beautifully. First thing I did was I picked up the Downy Unstoppables. This is the one that's $9.99. There is a $4 Ibotta rebate. This $4 Ibotta rebate can only be done one time. So with that Ibotta rebate, it's going to make this particular one $5.99. Now, of course, mix and match. Do what works best for you. Get the ones that that you like. Try them out. Scan them with your phone. Remember, if you're not using Ibotta, you are truly missing out. Please look at my description box for the referral code. You get a referral. You get a kickback, and I do as well. Excuse me. Next is the Downy Unstoppables. That is $12.99. There is a $5 Ibotta rebate on this one. So it's going to make it $7.99 for this one. And last but not least, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up four of these Downy Unstoppables that are $6.99. Your total will be $27.96. There is a $2.75 Ibotta rebate. You're going to do, since we did this 4 times, we're going to get it back 4 times. And that's going to give us back a total of $11 in rebates for this particular one. So for this one, you're going to have for all four of them, you're going to pay $16.96 for all four of them. All right, so your total for all of these was about $50. And with the Ibotta rebates and the $15 gift card that you're going to get back, the total was about $15.94, which is amazing. And if you divide it by 6, that's about $2.66 per unstoppable, which is amazing. Guys, I've already confirmed this deal for you, as you can see here with my Ibotta rebate. I wanted to show you that. Next up is the Spend 40 Get Back a $10 gift card on beauty and health items. The Dove men's deodorant is $6.99. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app, which is going to make the deodorant $4.99. Then the soft soap refill, I got the antibacterial kind. It is $5.99. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app, which is going to make this $3.99. Next is the Skintimate razor. It is $6.49. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app, which is going to make the razor $3.49. The Oral B, I almost said Glade. The Oral B flossers, these are $3.99, and there is a $1 coupon on the Target app, making them $2.99. The Irish Spring body wash. I look for the bar soap, but my store does not carry any Irish Spring bar soap. This is $5.29. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app, making this $3.29. Next, I picked up the Neutrogena. This was like the one that you can take your eye makeup off with. It's on the Neutrogena products that you know with makeup. So any of the makeup cleaning ones. $6.89 for this. There is a $2 coupon, so that's going to make it $4.89 after the $2 coupon. And the last item that I picked up for this Spend 40 Get Back a $10 gift card was this Aveeno skincare. This is $6.99 for these. And there is a $3 coupon on the Target app. That $3 coupon is going to make it $3.99. All right, so all six of these products came to about $43, and the total after everything was $17.63, or about $2.94 per item. So, good deals on these, great deals to stock up on for your beauty products. All right, praisers and savers, that is all I have for you this week. Don't forget about that printable breakdown in the description box. I also color coordinated it for you guys so you know what goes with what. And as always, if you made it to the end of this video, please give me a comment and type end. I appreciate it a ton, and it makes me so happy when I see end in the comments. Makes me know that you guys are really following and watching for the end of these videos. All right, I will see you guys next time when I head to a Publix to pick up my grocery deals. Have a blessed week. Thank you.